Imagine turning on the television set. It's the opening weekend for college football. It's week 1, week 0 in effect is done and gone, and everybody's favorite teams are taking the gridiron, and your screen is blank except for a logo that's bouncing around, courtesy of a standoff between a major media conglomerate and another major entertainment conglomerate. So these sorts of things happen every year. I'm Mark Mourer with Spectrum Business. Last year we fielded a ton of calls with regard to a certain contractual renewal between ABC and its affiliates with ESPN or the Disney Group, who owns everybody. And I guess the urge to re-up the requirement that certain packages or certain channels be carried. It's a contractual dispute as the way we consume our sports and the way we consume our media continue to take place. It'll happen again. There'll be another carrier, and it could get into our streaming services. It's difficult to forecast what Hulu and Roku and some of the other streaming services are going to wind up providing in terms of access through contractual agreements. Is that while DirecTV and Disney are in a standoff, Spectrum Business can offer you $59.99 a month for 48 packages, including NBA TV, the Golf Channel, Major League Baseball Channel, all the ESPNs. We've got $59.99 a month. So it's a great opportunity to revamp, revitalize the internet that you're providing your customers, whether it's 600 megabits per second or even our full 1 gig service, while bundling that 48 package Sports Fan TV opportunity and not missing a single bit of game action, including even the ESPN pluses that are going to carry your Tarleton States, your Vermont Catamounts, your Abilene Christians as they try to take down Texas Tech, which happened in week 1, but any DirecTV subscriber would not have been able to have watched that. Give me a call at Spectrum Business and let us find a way to incorporate our Spectrum Business TV package with your customers. We can get you hooked up tomorrow so that you don't miss any of the action.